Hello, I'm Graeme Harrison from Bluesound Professional, and I have a couple of things to talk to you about here at Infocom. The first thing that we're really excited about is a partnership with Moodsonic. Moodsonic are the world leader at biophilic soundscapes for the workspace and for healthcare. So this is bringing natural sounds into the workspace in order to bring employees back into the workspace and also to create moods for activity-based working. So for example, a focus zone or a relax zone or a energy zone. And also for healthcare, there's great benefits in patient recovery time. This is something we've been tracking for a long time, and we're delighted to announce a partnership now with Moodsonic, whereby we're supplying all of the hardware to allow this to happen. This takes three forms. So the existing form is a centralized infrastructure with players going to DSPs, going to amps, going to speakers. We'll continue to make those players, but we'll also bring in a hub and spoke model where we have decentralized player amplifiers in the ceiling driving zones of speakers, and then even a completely decentralized format where each individual speaker houses the generative algorithms to allow it to do soundscaping. So this is going to allow us to bring the concept of soundscaping down from really large organizations like GSK and SAP and organizations like that, down to small to medium-sized operations as well that would love to have soundscaping. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. And the second thing I want to talk to you about is this little panel here. It may not seem much, but we're beginning to do large-scale deployments for tens of thousands of locations, primarily of retail stores, convenience stores. And what this is a completely programmable panel that allows a brand to just have the controls they want on the screen to control one zone or more than one zone, to be properly branded, to give your employees just the control you want them to have. And this fits between our really simple control here and our fully featured control. So this one is completely customizable and will also control other devices, for example lights or anything else that can be controlled with API calls. So you can think of this as like a control system in a wall panel.